Welcome back. In this video, we want to continue our logicals and we want to look at how to use the ifs. We have looked at the if for only one something, but we want to combine if and and see. And is used when you want all conditions to return true, you want them to be correct. You can use or if you only care if one or of the conditions or more is correct. But if you want to use you want all the conditions to be positive. So, for instance, I want to look at students that are younger than 9 and I want to make comments. Okay, so I want to say is equal to if, click tab, then I want to type and because that's what I want to. I click tab and it's asking me what is the logical one. I want age, this age, you can see I've clicked it to be less than 9, those that are less than 9. Then comma is asking me what is the second logical. I want to look at where this is equal to artisan, artisan. Okay, I want another condition. I want to see where this tertiary, this this household head education level is equal to primary. Okay. Then I'm asking another condition. Okay, this is my artisan. I did not close it. This I need to close that. Okay. Then I want another condition. I'm going to leave my formula back. I want where this sex m is equal to female. Okay. When all these things are true, now let me close this my hand and I put comma. When they are true, I want this thing to write excellent. Excellent. Okay. And then when it's not true, I want it to write privileged. Privileged. So that they are privileged. So is that the right spelling of privilege? I don't know. So they are privileged. Then let me close it. Of course, when we are combining like this, the last bracket should be black in color. So let me enter. And you can see the first person is privileged. Okay. Age, civil servant. It's not giving me what I want. If age E2 is less than 9, F is equal to artisan, and this you should write excellent. Okay. Otherwise, you write privilege. And you can see the first person is privileged because the first person is older than 9 years. The first person does not come from artisan. The first person comes from family that have tertiary. The person is not female, male, so the person is privileged. But let me copy this formula down and see those that are actually excellent in performance. And you can see almost all are privileged, except this. I have one excellent here. I have one excellent here. The person is 8 years old. The learner comes from an artisan family. The household the household education level is primary and the person is female. I can see for the person to be able to get to be in this class, the person can excellent. Excellent. Now let me add one more condition. Let me add one more condition. I can come to this formula bar and edit. Okay. This condition I want to add is the score. If all these things occur, Control Shift. Okay. This call, don't let me do Control Shift. Let's now say if it is greater than, okay, this call is greater than 60 or it's greater than 70. That's where you should say excellent. Click. Okay. The other one is still privileged. You can see the excellent I had there has disappeared. Do I still have any excellent? And there is only one excellent. Only one excellent. Only one excellent. Because if I don't want it to, if I'm only interested in the excellent, I can't see not to write anything instead of in the privilege. And let me clean this privilege. I can leave a space of nothing. So I'm leaving nothing. And then let me enter it. You can see the first one is nothing. Now let me copy it down. You can see everything is nothing except the few excellent. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And instead of even counting like that, there's a function I can use. I can use count if. Okay? Count if. Then I need excellent. So let me type my excellent here. Okay, that's excellent. So let me come here and say is equal to count if the range. I'm counting this range. Control Shift Enter. Then comma. Then the criteria. So my criteria is equal to excellent. I want to see that excellent. It's blocking it. It's actually blocking it. Okay, it's excellent. Then enter. So let me see how many are excellent. Just 13. So just 13 are excellent. Of course, I could have clicked that excellent the way I did in the last video, yeah. But I just wanted to see it or to let you know another way to do it. So those that met this condition, okay, that made this condition that I put here, they are only 13. They're only 13. That's how you can use all these logicals to analyze your business data, your school data, your project, things like that. They're very easy to use and they are very, very flexible. So we can do some ifs, we can use average ifs too. Okay, it follows all this logic. We have the or, we have the and, we can increase all this, but when our formula is getting too big, we should look for other formula that can actually work. Okay, when your formula, there's this rule of thumb that it is greater if the length of the formula is greater than your thumb, then you should actually look for a better function in Excel that can do it. Do not let us abuse if. The VLOOKUP we use for grades, all these kind of things, if can also be used. But imagine using if to check the score of a learner. If it's less than 40, put this, greater than 40, put this, less than 50, put this. It will be so, so, so long. So that was why we use the VLOOKUP. Look at it. Therefore, that looks like the match or the index, which we didn't cover. You can just check them up. There are many functions in Excel, over 182, and you should try to know all this.